My dear Redeemer, you are my everything. I made up my mind to give you my life and give you praise. I love you and thank you for you are good, for you are most high.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning.
Where will I go if I didn't have you by my side, by my side? Who do I know if it's not for you by my side, by my side? You are everything to me. All that I need, I find in you. I find in you. You gave me breath to breathe. You always make up. I'm finding you. I'm fine with you. I give you praise, and I give you all the glory, and I thank you for all you've done for me. Where will I go if I didn't know you? If I didn't know you, where will I go? Where will I be if I didn't have you? If I didn't have you, where will I be? Comforter, my helper, healer of my soul. I praise you, Jehovah Nissi, Jehovah Shammah. No one like you. I praise you, Comforter, my King, healer of my soul. I praise you. Where will I be? Who do I know? You are my everything. I thank you. 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 Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm not gonna forget the things that you do for me. My everlasting lover, you are the way, the truth, and life, my King. I praise your name forever. Where I for day, if you know they by my side, oh, nothing compares to the love that you've shown me. You are my healer, my helper, and never let me down. I will praise you all my days. My everlasting lover, my everlasting lover, my everlasting lover. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You are the light of my world. You are king of the hill you own. My everlasting lover. Where will I be if you didn't save me? You raised me up. You have the power. Oh no, 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 so no one compares to your greatness. You are my savior. You know the fellow. You I give you all my praise. I live for you, Lord Most High. I give you all the praise. Now you the king, you know the fell. I give you all the praise. I live for you, Lord Most High. I give you all the praise. That you be king, oh, that you praise. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You are my healer, my helper. You never let me down. I will praise you all my days. My everlasting lover. Lord, I give you all the praise. I'm so scared of losing you. I give you my all. Please take it, Lord. Who am I to be loved by you? That you drew me close to your word. Yeah, you drew me close to your will. I give my all to you. Only you. For you, I'm not God. Jehovah, I give my heart to you. Holy God, for you, Lord, I give my helper. You are waymaker. For you are waymaker, King of kings. For you are King of kings, my Redeemer. For you are my Redeemer. Jesus, Jesus, Jehovah, for you are Jehovah. I give it all, I give it all to you, to you. There's no one like you, there's no God like you. You deserve it all.
So guys, this is us going back. To be honest, I didn't even want to come before. But anyways, thank God I came, guys. So tell me guys, what do you guys think about the Pottery? Look at my friend.
There's no God like you. I worship you. I adore you. Mighty Redeemer. You are my everything. I made up my mind to give you my life and give you praise. I love you and thank you for you are good, for you are most high. It's you are kind. Holy One, you are so good. Who am I that you saved and you called your own? You raised me, blessed King. No one compared to you. I bow to you, no one like you, my King. I love you. I thank you for you are good, for you are most high. Yes, you are kind. Blessed, blessed be your name. Blessed be your name, most high, most high. I give you glory for you are my helper. I praise your name for you are mighty. That's why I give you all. Yes, 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 you are. I give my all to you, for your name is the highest. Everything you've given, I've come to say thank you for the things that you have done for me. I've come to say I'm grateful for the life you gave to me. I promise to be a keeper of your word and your commandments. Oh, I give you my praise. For you are good, you are kind, you are everything to me. Yes, you are good, you are kind, yeah. The honor that compares to you, honor that commitment you. You are the light in the darkness, you are the bright and shining armor. The honor name compares to you, honor name compares to you. You are the light in the darkness, oh. You are the light in the darkness. I give my all to you. I give my all to you. I bless your holy name for who you are to me. Holy God, for you are the King. My helper, you are waymaker. Who am I to be loved by you? That you truly close to your word. Yeah, you truly close to your will. I'm filled with joy and happiness. to be by your side, so close to you, so close you're holding. Maybe I take it. Someday you say to me, you say well done. Where for day, if you know they by my side, oh, nothing compares to the love that you've shown me. You are my healer, my helper, and never lay me down. Oh Lord, you are my helper. There's no God like you. I worship you.